The enterprise technology cycle moves fast. If a platform is over a decade old, the industry assumes it belongs in a museum. And that brings us to a rumor that won't die. I'm Derek Tomei. I'm the founder of PeopleSoftCareer.com, and we're going to break down the myth versus reality audit, PeopleSoft's continuous innovation. For years, there's been this quiet assumption. PeopleSoft is a dying legacy system, kept on life support by organizations too stubborn to move on. I get where the rumor comes from. You have to understand how enterprise software used to work. Getting new features required a massive, multi-year major upgrade. We're talking freezing your business, spending millions of dollars, risking total system failure. Because those upgrades were so painful and so expensive, companies actively avoided them. They let their software sit stagnant for years. That stagnation is what originally fueled the myth that the platform itself was dead. But when you actually audit the data, a different picture shows up. So let's ask the real question. Is PeopleSoft actually dead, or is the concept of the forced major upgrade the thing that really died? The answer starts with a structural change to how the software gets delivered. Oracle introduced a model called continuous innovation under their application's unlimited pledge. The core mechanic is simple. The disruptive multi-year major upgrade has been completely eliminated. This animated timeline illustrates the difference. Instead of hitting massive upgrade roadblocks, the system now absorbs small, cumulative rounds of fixes and features. Your customized environment evolves smoothly over time, without breaking. When you remove that massive hurdle, enterprise software stops being a static product that slowly decays. It becomes a living, self-updating environment. But don't take my word for it. Let's test it. Let's audit the actual development output from just the last 12 months. Looking at this data counter, we can see the exact volume. Over the last year, Oracle delivered 12 distinct update packages containing over 500 legislative updates. That keeps complex environments compliant. The data also shows 335 distinct new product features. That includes entirely modernized UI experiences like the new landing page and smart prompts, which anticipate user inputs to speed up data entry. And here's the part that matters most. When we trace the origin of those 335 features, roughly half of them came directly from customer requests, submitted through the PeopleSoft Ideas Lab. Let me say that again. Half the features came from customers asking for them. A decaying platform does not ship hundreds of user-requested features in a single year, period. The sheer volume of this output shows a system that is highly responsive and actively evolving based on real-world use. That's the last 12 months. But to see if a platform is truly current, we have to look forward. The next 12 to 18 months. The upcoming release cycle focuses heavily on Gen AI, artificial intelligence models capable of generating text or code based on natural language prompts. This includes deep integrations like natural language assistance and code assist inside the development environment. The roadmap also tracks other deep tech implementations: semantic search with typo tolerance, webhooks, a method for sending automated real-time messages to external applications the moment an event occurs in the system. Think about what that means. When an established platform can deploy the same technical stack as a modern startup, the age of the underlying code stops being a limitation. Now, the final piece of the audit. How long is this environment guaranteed to last? This is governed by the Oracle Lifetime Support Policy, a rolling 10-year support commitment. This timeline shows what that policy looks like in practice. Under Applications Unlimited, Premier support is guaranteed for PeopleSoft through at least 2037. And this marks the 8th consecutive time Oracle renewed that rolling 10-year commitment. 8 times. That's not a hedge. That's a track record. For a massive organization running complex operations, an 11-year guaranteed runway provides the ultimate luxury in enterprise IT: the ability to execute predictable multi-year strategic planning without a forced deadline hanging over your head. Because customers have a secure, continuously updated foundation beneath them, they are completely insulated from the chaos of forced system migrations. Companies can now prioritize their modernization efforts based purely on actual business value, not the panic of an expiring system forcing their hand. When you remove the pressure of the upgrade and provide a continuous stream of modern features, massive global enterprises choose to expand what they already have, rather than risk ripping it out for unproven replacements. The forced enterprise upgrade is dead, but PeopleSoft, the data is clear, it's thriving, and quietly powering a new decade of innovation. If this was useful, please subscribe. I'm going to be putting out videos every week on PeopleSoft career strategy, salary data, and the market signals that actually matter. Nobody else is doing this on YouTube, so let's build this together. I'm Derek Tomei. I'll see you in the next one.